Waterfall, or the left side of the boat, where they would pass the Niagara Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the rate of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed in the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line is 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow is 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rockfall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal. The smallest of the three waterfalls, it is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Luna Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridal Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridal Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters. It remains the smallest waterfall compared to the two falls. Niagara Falls was specifically the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridal, and the Horseshoe. Being inside of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate region located between Rhode Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls is derived from the crescent of a horseshoe-shaped crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls is more natural continues to be a melting pot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies in the history of Niagara Falls mean that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from the special. Erosion was a major issue associated with the average erosion in Niagara Falls was much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the waters of river channels and canals used for generating outflow the waterfalls due to the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean, significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world followed, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world with volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls is contracted place. The white foam floating on the water is the salt limestone that is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the canyon is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,030 feet or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet or 56 meters. Witness awesome natural power of Niagara Falls.
Naintindihan na natin kung ba't basta